Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode. This time from a Skoda FABIA diesel. I kid you not, I haven't changed the cars in this manner in all of my life. Unfortunately, the Renault Scenic that was given to me yesterday had the check engine light on the dashboard after 5 hours. I took it, basically I drove it about 1 hour total, and yeah, that car has some really bad issues with the injection. The engine didn't had power, and it seemed like it was running in 3 cylinders. So after some let's say a hustle and some not so quite pleasant moments with the guy from the that represents the insurance company, we eventually left it like that, and now he gave me a new car. This one, it's a diesel engine, 5-speed manual. Again, I have no idea what the specs are, the exact specs, but as a diesel engine, it really accelerates nice. But since it's not my car and this is what it is, I have to drive it like a grandma. So that's why you will not see me pass the 3rd gear, in order to not drive it under revved. Although I know it's a diesel engine, still you can see the red line goes from 5,000 RPMs. But yeah, it's a different experience to drive a VAG car, a car made by Volkswagen. The clutch engages really low. Yesterday I had the engine die on me because I wasn't used to it. But yeah, other than that, it feels like it drives itself, like all the high torque diesel engines. When I put it in 2nd gear, it feels like it goes right from beneath me. It's such a sensation. You really have to be careful with and hold it from the clutch, especially if you're used and accustomed to drive Renault cars that are known for the fact they have the clutch engaging really high. It accelerates nice. I must admit to you, I'm sorry I cannot floor it for you like a car is meant to be driven. after the engine is fully warmed up completely. But yeah, this car has more miles, more kilometers than the Renault Scenic yesterday. That car, at least on the dashboard, had 149,000 kilometers. This one has 232,000 kilometers in theory. In practice, I'm pretty sure these cars are way above 400,000 kilometers, maybe even 500,000 by the way they look. But yeah, I like this car more than, for sure, the one from yesterday, and until now it hasn't made anything unusual. The air conditioning is better even than on my Renault Clio Mark III. I like this, so even on the lowest speed, on the lowest temperature, maybe 16 degrees Celsius, you don't feel the need to have the fan spin higher. So it's really a pleasant experience from this point of view, because yesterday, I mean, in that Renault, man, it was a pain. I mean, I was look at this woman. I was sweating just by standing. In that car with the aircon on max. Also, this car, when you something is not right, is not aligned properly, when you brake, the steering wheel goes to the left. I mean, yeah. Again, too bad for the wasted power, or the one that you cannot use. You won't be safe. just on, let's say, low speeds. Other than that, if you have to brake from 100 kilometers per hour in this car, it's an extreme sport. I really hope I will be called as soon as possible from the Renault dealership in my hometown to go and take my car. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. May you have safe roads and no bad experience on the road. And take care wherever you are. Bye bye.